How's it going, everybody? Student Trader here, and today's we're looking at SNDL Sundial Growers for the second day in a row here. Obviously not what I had in mind. I thought we were going to push past $1 and see $1.20. But, we did see the high up there at 98 cents, which you really can't complain about. And then we double top right here, right at the bell at 95, another resistance, and right now sitting at 71. And, like I said in the last video, I would like to say above 60 cents. We did get a quick little dip down to 58 and then immediately bounced back up, so no problem there. It was just a good pullback day, to be honest with you. I'll take you back to the 1 year chart and really break it down here. But the VWAP at 78 cents, that would be our resistance, was 73. With under $1 stocks, there's so many resistance just because there's so much volume. Like you take a look, like 5,000 shares, 10,000 shares, like a lot of selling going on right now. But there's just so many people trying to push this up or push it down at the same time. Like I said, I would since we broke out of that 58, that was the previous high. So you always really wanted to hold above there. And like I said, I would have liked to break above $1, but that's going to be really strong resistance. It always is right at the dollar level. And then 126. I was looking at this level right here as well as 117. But really, because I know a couple traders, actually a few actually, that once it breaks above $1, that's when it goes on their watch list, not before, because they just don't like the volatility of it. So yesterday's volume was the most I have ever seen, 2.07 billion shares of volume. Today was not far behind it with, well, in the grand scheme of gains, yeah, it's a whole 1 billion, but 1.2 billion today. Again, that's with a B. And granted, it is under our stock, but that's still a lot of money to be trading on just as one ticker. A couple of you guys pointed out in last video that I don't really know much about pot stocks, and I can't disagree with you there. It's not my forte. I just break it down from a chart standpoint and what I see just as a simple trader in the market. So with the earnings at -36, -41, in my eyes, the company's headed in the right direction. We'll have to see what this quarter is, or even third quarter, because this is second quarter, I think. So if the company is better than -41, another great step. And then if it's really anything positive, that's going to be huge, because I don't think there's any news on it today, just sympathy or continuation rather. This was one we were reading in the last video. Pot stocks pop ahead of U.S. UN votes on cannabis legalization. Really, if you guys watched last video, which a lot of you did, so I really appreciate it. Just another chart review for the day. I would like it to see a push up above $1. It's Tuesday. We have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to see. I don't think the next break for trading is up until Christmas. So, Thanksgiving we didn't trade, and then a half day, which people really didn't trade. But now, we're clear of the holidays, holiday season though, so I don't know how many of you guys are buying weed for holiday. That was a joke, guys. But if we can break above $1, then see $1.17, $1.20, we do have a really quick push up to $1.50, and then, from $1.70, a gap to 180. And that open market resistance, and then right there at 265. It's just if we get these $2 billion volume days, it's just going to be crazy. And then we're going to hit high up there at 388 as well. I take you to the 3-year chart. We high at $13. I don't think there was a reverse split. The 20-year chart, yeah. So it's a fairly new ticker. Oh wow, actually in August. I actually did not know that. Wow, so 1322 is the ultimate price target to beat. We'll go ahead and make this the green dotted line to represent the ultimate price target. Can we break above it? Honestly, I think we can. This is such a good bounce right here at 13 cents. A good bounce up. Such a good chart. Each candle is representing a month. As you guys know, we just started December, so it was a. And honestly, guys, if this stock, as a whole month of December, if we, I got to remove the drawing here. So if we as a whole month of December, I'm rambling on here, but if we stay like this, it'll still be good in a sense that you had a pullback, and then maybe January, February, we see a huge surge up to the potential $13 level. Like I said, guys, I'm bullish on it. I'm bullish on the pot stocks. We'll have to see what the United Nations says. You know, like I mentioned in the last video, if they legalize it across the board, it'll be very interesting for the future. Alright guys, SNDL, thanks for watching. Give you a like, subscribe if you haven't. Questions, comments, opinions, drop them down below. And I do want to say, we called this in the private Discord, Patreon only chat room at 27 cents. And as you guys see here, it ran up to 98 cents. So if you guys want to get calls like that, definitely click the link in the description. Thank you for all the Patreons that is showing on screen right now. I really appreciate it, guys. Click the link in the description if you guys want to join and get stuff like that. Alright guys, see you in the next one.